Are you a startup recruitment agency? Would you like to save £1,500 in your first year? Of course you would. As a startup, one of the tasks for your new business will be to set up a new website. Do you go with a well-known recruitment website provider? Do you find a general web developer or freelancer? Or do you ask your friend's nephew who says he's good with Photoshop? These are all options, but they can be risky and expensive. There is another way: building your own website. A DIY website is a cost-effective method that can produce brilliant results, if you know what you're doing. That's where we come in. We've been building websites with WordPress for over a decade, and in that time, we've learned that small businesses and startups don't need to pay expensive web designers and developers. With a bit of guidance, they can have their own fully functional professional website at a fraction of the cost. Even the cheapest recruitment website provider costs about £150 a month. That's £1,800 a year without any additional extras. We'll show you how to build your own recruitment website for less than £300, including the cost of this course. That leaves £1,500 in your pocket for other essential business and marketing activities. The course is made up of easy to follow video lessons where we will show you exactly what it takes from start to finish to build your own recruitment website. If you'd like to learn how to build your own recruitment website and save a ton of cash, join us at build.myrecruitment.site. The course opens in March 2020 and early bird discounts are available now.